Here we are and welcome, Grillman's Garage. We're outside in the porch today. It's a little cold, about -1, -2 degrees, but I have something a little bit different. We're experimenting with the Insta360 X3 camera. Got it set up in the middle between a drone and what we've got here. We're going to try the 13-inch monitor. We're going to try the Atom 1 or Atom 3, whatever you want to call it, the one with the 3-axis gimbal, the original, and we're going to go from there. Okay, so we've got something else as well. We have Ulanzi AM18, and it records to itself. It's got 2 transmitters, but I'm only using one, and it can record to itself up to 8 gigs of audio. Then I just sync it to anything. I don't have to plug anything in or anything, and I'm using the internal mic of the Insta360 to give voice commands to start the video and to stop the video. So there we go. It is cold. I want to get going. Let's see what happens. Okay, and we're back. Here we go. We've got the 13-inch monitor right here. It's all set up. We've got it here. We're not going to get enough satellites. We have 6 according to this. It's nice and big and bright. Okay, we're not going to get the full amount, but we're going to see if we can take it up, take it out, get some more satellites, and away we go. Let's see what happens right here from the get-go. Okay, we're going to go, and it's cold, so let's go in and down and up. There we go. There we go. Just going to get up there. There we go. We're going to get the satellites now. And we got 7. Let's turn this around. There we go. We've got 8. There we go. I can see it plain as day there. It's really, really good. Come a little closer. We had to get it out pretty quick though because we didn't have the satellites. It wasn't that stable, but there we go. Okay, we can go up and down on the camera. There we go. Okay. Now, let's see if we can go up and see how far we can go. Okay. We don't want to have it so that we have a home point on the picnic table because it's going to come down on the roof. Okay, so let's just go up and see where we go. Remember, I've got to cancel it. This is going to be tricky. I might have to unplug this at some point and rush out and stop it. So we're going to find that out pretty soon. Okay, let's go up a little bit. Going up a little bit. Let's start that video. There we go. Start the video. Up we go. There we go. And we're going. Look at this. Here we go. There we go. Up. Up, 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 and over the house. There we go, up. We're heading up, and we're up about 15 meters. We've got to go up about the 25-meter mark before we can do anything. Coming home is going to be fun, I'll tell you. Coming home is going to be fun. Okay, we're up about 28 meters. Going to bring that camera down a bit. There we go. This screen it's really good. The only thing is, I think it's only a 720p connection. Oh, look at that. Did they take our garbage? Look at that. I got to figure out if they're going to take our garbage or not. Because I put some boxes out there. Don't know if they're going to take them. Look at that. Are they going to take them? Yes, they took all the boxes. Amazing. I had like 40 boxes. Boxes and boxes and boxes. I put a big sign out saying boxes and boxes and boxes. They were all my old drone boxes that I've sold, and there must be 30 or 40 boxes and boxes. It was amazing. They took them all. Absolutely amazing, great, fantastic. I love that. Okay, what was they doing? Well, that's the most important thing, was the garbage today, because it was a big day. Okay, let's go out here this way. Okay, we can get out. Return altitude is 47 meters. This screen is massive. It's huge. It's really good. I can see everything. Look at that. I'm not going to go too far. Let's go up a little higher. We're up to 32, 35. There we go. We got lots of video signal. according to that, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can see the screen really good. So let's go up a little higher. 38, 40, there we go. A little higher, there we go. Forward. And you see, look at that ice still on the lake. Pretty hard to get to this year because nobody did the driveway. But like the lane, there's a lane that comes down to that end point there. And nobody did it this year. So we had lots of ice, lots of snow, too much snow this year. Now it's starting to go. A lot of people don't have any snow anymore. But I tell you, we got lots of it. So we're coming in. Here we go. So let's bring it back in. Let's see if we can bring it back without crashing. I don't know. It's going to be a tough one. Oh, adjust the antennas. Okie dokie. I will. We're coming home. Okay, let's just see if we can get over where we are here. Strong winds. Let's come down a bit then. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to come and have to look down with the camera. So let's look down with the camera. Okay. And we're going to go that way. Whoa, over that way. Sorry. Whoa. Okay, let's look down. Look down. Where are we? Okay, we're there. Don't want to be there. I want to be about there. So we're coming down. We're at 36. Coming down. Want to come that way. Whoa, no. Get over. Get over. Come down. Let's come down. Down, 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 down. Let's go over a little bit. Is that all the way down? Yeah, okay. Here we go. I'm down. I should miss it, but we shall see. There it is. Yay! Look at that. I made it. Up we go. I can see it now. And we are right about here. Okay, come down a bit. Okay, and I'm going to come in and land in front over there somewhere, I'm hoping. Okay, come in. And down. Down, land. Awesome, we made it. Let's stop that video. And let's do a little wrap up here. Well, there you have it, okay? My hands are really, really cold. We have the Atom one, the original one, which is on the table right here. Successful flight, went out, saw the garbage pickup. That was awesome. Went out all by the lake. Wasn't too interested in that. We'll have a look at the video. That's okay. My main thing was I can get up from here, out there and back with no issues, and we're using one camera. Okay, so let's see how this all works out. Okay, it's the Insta360 X3. I'm inside. I've got it set to 5.7K at 24 frames per second because we're inside. I'm hoping 24 frames per second. There's no fast movement, so I'm hoping the slower frame rate gives me a better lighting. I went in to try and drop it down to 150, but it wouldn't let me. It would be 160 for the shutter, and 160 is what you want to use for 30 frames per second. So I just dropped down the frames per second, so maybe I'll get more light in here. Okay, anyway, we're going to see. This is an experiment. The 360 camera, we're trying it. I don't know what it's going to be like, but this 13-inch tablet performed awesome. It really did. So we can, up here, we can get rid of this, and we're back to that again. Okay, there you go. Atom, the original one from Potensic. It's an awesome machine. It's really inexpensive for what it is. It functions really well. Not a lot of autonomous modes, but it is pretty good for what it is, okay? And you can get it relatively cheap. However, Having said that, DJI are slashing prices across the board. Okay, you can pick up a DJI Mini 3 with the RC controller, the whole thing, for an incredible price right now. I paid 3 times that for it. Okay, incredible. And their Mini 4K is way down there, you know. So for a couple $100 you can pick up some really good drones. Okay, I was gonna fly the FIMI Mini 3 SE, but it's a couple of degrees, 4 or 5 degrees below 0 Celsius, and all the FIMIs do not work that well in cold weather. Okay, so that's the reason for that. And as far as anything goes with FIMI and Hubsan, they're kind of out of the market because DJI kind of lowered the bomb and lowered their pricing and blew everyone out of the water. The only real competitors now in this sub 250 gram drone market are Potensic, maybe Ruco, maybe Hollystone, not really, but maybe Ruco a little bit. So we're going to find out what happens with that. Okay, so till next time, take care. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell. Let's see what happens. What do you think about Insta360? Oh, I am getting the Insta360 X4 Air because it was only like $40 more. So I figured, well, I get almost double the size of the camera. So let's go, and this one's going back. So there you go. Okay. Yapped enough. Bye. See you later.